Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your iPhone ready for your new hearing aids. We'll be removing the old hearing aid app completely and installing it fresh so your iPhone won't get confused later. Don't worry, I'll take you through step by step. On your iPhone you'll have to tap the Settings app. Scroll down until you see General. Tap iPhone Storage, and this shows all the apps that are on your phone. You'll have to scroll until you find your hearing aid app, for example, Signia, Bernafon, Phonak, or Unitron. And when you see your app, just tap it. In this case, I'm going to delete my Signia app. And now click Delete App and confirm. And that makes sure the app and its memory are completely gone. If you just delete it with the icon, it may not be completely deleted from the phone and may carry over settings that may confuse your phone later. Now we need to get a fresh copy of the app. So we'll go into the App Store and search for Signia app. I've got it already up, but if you need to search, click on the search, type in the name of the app you're looking for, and then download it. It'll just take a couple seconds to download. Once it's downloaded, if you are a Signia or Bernafon hearing aid user, this is all you need to do. And the next video can show you how to pair your hearing aids to the app and to your phone. But if your hearing aids are Phonak or Unitron, there's one more step that you need to do. So we'll go back into the settings. By the way, there's the Signia app that got installed. So we'll go back into settings. This is again for Phonak and Unitron users only. And we'll go into Bluetooth. So we have to back out. We'll go settings, and let's back right out so you can see what I'm doing here. In Bluetooth, in the main menu, you'll go into the Bluetooth menu. And you see for Phonak we have a few line items here. It can be up to 3, or for Unitron that say Phonak in them. These are connections that need to be deleted. And so you'll use a little eye icon to delete them one by one. You click on the eye, and it'll say forget this device, confirm forget device, and you'll delete those one by one from the phone, so that when you reinstall the app and reconnect new hearing aids or repaired hearing aids, the phone won't get confused. Okay, you can see in my Bluetooth menu all of those named connections have been removed, and now your phone is in a position to move on to the next video to start by pairing your hearing aids to the appropriate app, and it should work just fine. Thanks for listening.